Welcome to the future of learning, where innovation meets education. Explore the possibilities with me.
And that's how we optimize the neural network for maximum efficiency. Any questions?
Let's outline the journey. First, we craft the script, then record the voice, produce the video, and create a compelling thumbnail. With our advanced platform, you can confidently connect to every corner of the globe. Our reach is truly worldwide. Welcome. Getting started is easy with this dashboard. It's designed to be intuitive and calm. I'm here to guide you. Welcome. Today we're exploring how AI is transforming learning. Watch as educational and AI symbols converge into a smart workflow. Welcome. Today, we delve into the future of learning, starting now. The animated AI workflow guides you step by step, showcasing clean arrows and a modern tech UI for optimal results. Excellent. Proceed to generate the summary. I've been creating content for years now, and this is the best tool I've ever used. It's really changed the game. Welcome to the future of editing. Watch as your clips align automatically. Seamless precision. Crafting captivating thumbnails is simpler than you think. Watch as these shapes come together to make it perfect. Just like this. Easy. All right, time to upload. Almost there. Yes, upload complete. This is the entire process. Clear and simple. This system is designed for complete automation and consistency, ensuring effortless and smooth operation around the clock. Explore these categories and discover what you need. Welcome. Today, we delve into AI education and unlock its vast potential.
You've got this. Keep going.
Welcome to Tech Explainers. Get ready to understand technology like never before. Welcome to Luxury Facts. Discover a world of elegance. Let's compare evergreen content to trending content. Evergreen provides steady, long-term value, while trending delivers short-lived popularity. Consider your goal. Notice, this content is protected by copyright. Unauthorized use is prohibited. As you can see, our long-term growth has been exceptionally strong and steady. With so many options, this one just feels right. It's the smart choice.
The AI is really speeding up production.
It's writing everything smoothly.
Just need to give it a little nudge here and there.
This video will change how you think. Simple ideas, clear delivery, strong results. Let's connect. This is the script structure diagram. First, you need a powerful hook. Next, you deliver clear value to your audience. Finally, you end with a strong call to action. This AI refinement tool is truly effective. The text is perfect now. Welcome, Nimam. I'm glad you're here to learn with us. Click the link now to get started. Welcome, friend Ayanding. Welcome. I'm ready to walk you through the process. It's simpler than you think. Welcome. You have selected the professional and neutral voice. Let's get started. Achieving perfect voice sync is crucial. Watch my lips and you'll see how smoothly the words flow with every visual beat. Welcome to the future. Let's build it together. every step of the way. Welcome to the future of YouTube. Say goodbye to sharp cuts and hello to seamless. We're elevating automation to streamline content enhancement. I'm here today to explain to you why we decided to use a consistent color palette throughout our visuals, enhancing the overall presentation. Welcome. Let's explore this topic together with a helpful guide to understand the details. With this simple strategy, you'll see guaranteed results and growth in no time. This is how we can simplify things, making sure everything is as straightforward as possible for you to understand, clearly and without confusion. The low waveform indicates a calm, grounded track, providing a subtle backdrop to our explanation. Understanding professional pacing and balanced timing is key to mastering YouTube automation. Learn words wisely. Learn tips to make your YouTube automation flow smoothly in sequence. Learn tips to automate your best YouTube videos. Unlock success now. I will teach you the secrets of success, allowing you to achieve anything. Your YouTube channel is now ready for upload with the power of automation. Welcome. Today we're diving into YouTube automation. We'll cover content creation, algorithm optimization, and monetization strategy. Introducing YouTube automation, the effortless way to achieve growth and revenue. Welcome to the channel where we dive deep into YouTube automation tips that actually work. Right, let's get these strategies snapping into place for you. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube automation. Let's learn the best tips for success. Welcome to YouTube automation. Today, we'll explore top tips, hear success stories, and show you how to start your channel now. Welcome to YouTube Automation Learn Tips. I'll show you how to master content creation and grow your channel quickly. The honest title: Best YouTube Automation Learning Tips. Learn more now. I've finished the ultimate YouTube automation thumbnail for you. Let me explain the best tips to make your videos shine. Welcome to your clean YouTube Studio dashboard. I'm going to explain the best YouTube automate tips using this overview. Let's dive into the best YouTube automation learning tips. Click the button to get started. Upload video, best YouTube automation learning tips. Let's start with these 5. All right, let's look at some YouTube automation tips to boost your workflow. First, automate your keyword research and content ideation to save time. SEO secrets for YouTube automation. Boost views now. Let's make this happen. Welcome to YouTube automation tips. Let's cover 4 key steps: content strategy, SEO optimization, video editing, and monetization. Welcome back. Today, I'm sharing essential YouTube automation tips to help you succeed. Let's get started. The key to audience selection: toggle the setting to maximize your reach. That's the first YouTube automation tip. Welcome to YouTube automation tips. First, understand the algorithm. Utilize SEO effectively. Analyze your data, and always stay trending for success. You can schedule your upload for later or publish it right now. Choose wisely based on your audience. Welcome. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 YouTube automation tips. First, focus on finding your niche. Setting consistent upload days is key. Use these highlighted dates to automate your YouTube strategy. The analytics dashboard is showing massive improvement, and here's how. Let me share some essential YouTube automation tips. I want to talk about how you can use YouTube automation to unlock your full potential and achieve incredible growth. It's time to climb that ladder of success. Welcome to AI Media School. Today, I'm sharing some top YouTube automation tips to help you succeed. Stay tuned for these essential strategies. Welcome. Today, I'm sharing essential YouTube automation tips that will boost your efficiency and growth. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more YouTube automation tips, and remember to subscribe for more content.